Today we are going to discuss the topic of linkers. So to start with the linker, the basic definition of the linker is it's a system software that combines or links the various object modules in order to create the executable form of the program. So as we know, we have the source program and the object programs. You can see in this diagram, the linker is responsible for linking all kind of object programs along with the library files, and it produces the executable module in the form of exe. So this is an example of linking process. Here the object files and the static libraries along with them, they are assembled into a new library or executable module form. Basically, it's an execution of the program. When goes on, it involves the following steps. First step is the translation. Translation is converting the source program into the object program, such as translation is performed by compiler or assembler or interpreter depending upon a requirement, while the linking is combining two or more separate object programs and supplying the information needed to allow the references between them. This is normally done by the linker. Another is a function performed by the linker is the relocation, that is modifying the object program so that it can be loaded at the address different from the location originally specified. This relocation is also performed by the linker. When we goes to this relocation process or linking process, some addresses are attached with them. Three kinds of addresses are there. One is the translated, other is the linked, and third one is the load time address. So these are the terms used during the program execution. When we talk about the translation time address or translated address, it is basically the address assigned to the entity by the translator, such as the assembler or compiler. Whereas the linked address is the address assigned to the entity by the linker. Similarly, the load time address or load address, it is the address assigned by to the entity by the loader. As we have the different addresses associated with them, we have the origins associated with the different stages, that is translation, linking and loading. When the translation is going on, the origin is associated with that is translated or origin. It is basically the address of the origin assumed by the translation. It is specified by the programmer in the form of region or the start statement. Second is the linked origin. It is the address of the origin assigned by the linker while producing the binary program. Third is the load origin. It is the address of the origin assigned by the loader while loading the program for the execution. You can see this diagram. We have the source program. It goes to the language translators. Three kind of language translators are there. The compiler, the assembler and the interpreter. After the translation, object modules is generated. This object modules or different kinds of object modules are linked up with the help of linker. The linker gives this executable module in the form of binary programs to the loader, and the loader is responsible for loading the program into the main processing. When we discuss the topic this linking or the linker processing, the relocation concept is far most important. It is the process of changing the execution start address and the address of instructions and the data specified in the program. Relocation of the program is always required if they have the address sensitive data or the address sensitive information. An address sensitive program can execute correctly if the start area of the memory allocated to it is same as the translated origin. So the program relocation is a process of modifying the address used in the address sensitive instructions of the program such that the program can be executed correctly from the designated area of the memory. Now, depending upon the requirement, the relocation can be performed by the linker or the loader. If the linked origin is not equal to the translated origin, the linker specifies some other execution start address for the program. Similarly, if the load origin is not equal to the linked origin, then the relocation WIST is performed by the loader. So in journal, if we want to compile the relocation process, linker always perform relocation, whereas some loaders do not perform the relocation, such as loaders are called absolute loader. This loader is not having the capacity to go for the relocation process. However, some are loaders known as the relocated loaders. They can perform the relocation process. So in the numerical point of view, if we have to calculate the relocation factor, so relocation factor is basically the difference between the link origin and the translated origin. If, for example, if we have the translated origin as 800 and the link origin is 200, that is the module goes from 800 to 200. So the relocation origin can be calculated by 800 minus 200 is 600. So basically it is the difference between the link origin and the translated origin. So thank you very much. This is all about the linking process.